Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a new advertising account. On your Facebook, for example, everyone has a personal advertising account. But if you want to create a new ad account, you will have to create a business manager and create a new advertising account in it. So as you can see, this is the personal ad account. There are a lot you can do with the business manager ad account, because if you're using a business manager ad account, when there's a problem with your personal ad account, when there's a problem with your business manager ad account, it won't affect your personal advertising account. That is why you need a business advertising account. Secondly, when you are using the business manager and the business advertising account, you can connect your pixel, you can connect a lot of data sources, you can add administrators to it, and there are a lot you can do with it other than just using a personal ad account. So how do you do that? You first of all log into your Facebook account. When you log into your Facebook account, or if you are to do that, you go to facebook.com and then you log into Facebook account. So let me just show you. After you log into your Facebook account, you click on see more on the left-hand side, you will see ad manager. Or even if you don't click on see more, some of you may still see the ad manager. Then you open the ad manager. So when you open the ad manager, it will bring you to this place. So you click on see all tools or all tools. Then you will go to business settings. You see business settings. Now, when you click on business settings, it will take you to business settings if you already have a business manager. For those of you who don't have a business manager, I've done a video that you can check in the link above, or you can check in the link in the description. Okay, you can check in the description. If you are using a phone, you can't see it above, you only see it in the description. But if you're using a computer, you can see it above, you can also see it in the description. So you check that video, it will help you, it will show you how to create a business manager. Now, after you've created a business manager, come back and then go to the ad manager and click on business settings. It will bring you to the business settings. Then you go to ad accounts. From the ad account, you click on add new ad account. Then you click on create new ad account. And then you can put the name new ad account. You can either put new ad account or you can put your business name there. Okay. Then you choose the time zone that matches your location. You choose the currency as well. After that, you click on next. Then you'll choose your business name there. And then you click on, or you select this for my business. Then you click on the create. I need to create the advertising account for you. Then you turn all these options on and you click on assign. After that, you can click on add payment info and add your payment info. Or first of all, you can even go to open in ads manager. When you open in the ads manager, you may see something like, does your business focus on politics or issues of national importance? And if your business is not into politics or social issues, you click no. Then you can create an advert. Then you may also click on the billing address. Then you scroll down to your payment settings. Then you choose the correct address for your business before you set your correct business address here before you run the advert. Yeah, in some countries, you may need to put the correct business address, but in some countries too, it doesn't matter, because whatever you put there will determine the tax laws that will be applicable to you. Okay, so that is how to set up a new advertising account. If you follow this, you are going to be able to do it. If you need any more guidance, or if you have any problem setting up your advertising account, leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link to contact us and we help you. Thank you once again for watching. And then remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.